Hello foodies, today we're making fish caldereta. First things first, let's season our fish fillet with some salt. Next, we heat oil in a pan and we start frying the fish fillets. And then we flip to cook the other side. And once done, we set it aside. Next, in another pan, we saute garlic and onion. And then, we add the potatoes. Next, I have here a big jar of tomato sauce. And then we add some soy sauce and some pepper. And then we cover and cook for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, we can add in the bell peppers. And the green peas. We cover it again and let it cook for a few minutes more. And finally, we can add the fish fillet. And we're done. Thank you for watching. Please follow us on our socials. Thank you. Bye.